What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. So we're going to Honda Fest today. I got the car all cleaned up, looking pretty good, nice and clean, shiny. Got my cooler packed, all kinds of good stuff in here. Got to stop and get some subs on the way, so I'm gonna throw the cooler in the back. I got to do a switcheroo. I had it in the garage so it would stay clean. Got to move the Corvette, and I have to move some other cars too. So I think I'm gonna move the truck, the Corvette, and then swap the Corvette with the Honda, and then we'll be all set. And we can take off for Honda Fest. So I'm just gonna do a little switcheroo, and we can get going. She looks good, sounds good. I think we're ready for Honda Fest. Hopefully we win something. I'm just be happy to be there though. It's a fun event. Hopefully we see some of you guys there. Got a couple of problems. Headlight looks bad. Corner marker is pretty bad. Taillight doesn't work. And got some paint chips I tried to touch up, but sounds like she's running pretty good. So I'm excited. Got about an hour and a half drive. Gotta get some food on the way for lunch, and we'll see you guys there. Maybe some clips on the way. What's going on, everybody? So we are on our way to Honda Fest. Oh, sorry, I missed your wave. We're going straight here, and this person's not sure where they're going. To go that way too. Yes, that's what I said, straight. And this person's not sure where they're going. They're lost. But we're gonna hopefully make it there within like 8 minutes, guys. And wow, I'm not sure if we will make it if we're behind this person. But otherwise, we're on our way there. We got our food, and
shout out Big Y.
Yeah, good timing. Big Y was just coming out with the sushi, so Naomi got hooked up with the sushi. This is quite the interesting road here. Anyway, we'll catch you guys. So we'll catch you guys when we get there, and we're just trying to make it there. Peace. Oh, the golf course across the road. I'm sure they love us. Security's here. How's it going?
Almost in.
Almost there. Next in line. How's it going? Number 68?
68.
Yeah.
It's really clean.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Even with the puddle?
Peter.
No. Should be Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah.
Jordan. 68, yeah.
Yeah, 68. Alright, cool. Yeah, me second guessing.
Oh, wow.
You're scaring me.
Your spectator's gonna be $15 then.
Yeah, got that.
I was like, what are you reading? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
You guys got change?
For how much? Yeah.
100? Yeah.
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, I'm gonna hand these to you.
Thank you.
This to put in the windshield, that way you can judge, please.
Got you.
Yeah. George has to change.
Oh, this.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Gonna say something for the people?
We made it, guys. I don't know where to go.
We'll figure it out. I think near the main building.
We're on the track right now. What do you say we do a lap?
I think they might get mad, but
That was fun. We're here, guys. We made it. Got people setting up indoors here. Pretty nice. Same car as always in here. I'll take you guys around to see this stuff later when it's a little more busy. But we're just here early today. Finally got here early for once. We're in VIP. Pretty sweet. So, just gonna probably poke around a little bit, see what's here. Use the bathroom, and yeah, very nice. So far, so good. Probably. We got shows going down, guys. Everybody's coming in. Music coming on. I'll try to get up on the bridge there and get some shots. Bridge here. Yeah, you should. Yeah, it's.
I don't think it's supposed to do what it's supposed to.
Mostly gone. Thought this Safari one was pretty cool. I gotta show you guys this thing. It's like a lifted Civic.
Not every day you see that. New Hampshire.
That's funny. Oh, he's got the Arctic Claws, snow tires. I got the same tires on my Civic. Doesn't look like that though. Told you not to choke on the boba. This thing's dope. SIR. Got an H series up in here. Look at this, H22A. That's awesome. Gotta swap an H series into mine. What are your thoughts, Naomi? I don't know if I want to do H or K. I don't know what I want to do. H is obviously easier, but I think K would be cooler. But then I also just want to keep the single cam. So I don't know.
Decisions.
Too many. Sounds good. Yeah, that's
First place, Orlando Rivera. Orlando Rivera. Hey, Paisan.
Do something crazy.
Yeah. Oh, this guy broke down. Dang.
Ouch.
That's not good. Are we just in line? Are we going around? Is it waiting? Parked? GPS on in a minute, but I know we gotta go left.
Yeah. Uh-oh, she lost her golf ball.
Well, I had to get that out of my system. We didn't win anything, guys, but you know what? I'm coming to realize that's not what it's all about. It's not all about winning. We came out, we had a good time. A lot of nice cars there, and I met some really cool people, and that's what it's all about. You know, it's about showing what you've done, and it doesn't have to be the best, because there's always cars out there that are way cooler than yours, and there's always cars out there that are definitely a lot less cool than yours. But that's what makes it, you know, fun, is you fall somewhere in between, you know. And that's where I feel like today, like I pulled that way too far. That was kind of the theme of today. A lot of really great cars there, and it was a good time. Now I'm just gonna have a nice, enjoyable ride back. Doing what I truly enjoy with this car, which is driving it. And hopefully I can bring you guys some more driving clips soon. I gotta set up my other camera, but that's gonna be it for Honda Fest 2023. Thank you guys for watching. I know I didn't get a ton of footage, but I was just enjoying the moment and having a good time. So thank you all for watching, and peace. We'll see you in the next one.